morning. It's 11:48. Woke up about an hour ago. On Roadie, there were 3 deliveries. One was for $21, one was for $15, and one for $11, which came out to about $47. I put an offer on all 3 of them. The higher paying ones, either somebody had snatched it before me or whatever, because they like the message yesterday, didn't give them say that somebody else got the offer. The most worstest one is the one I got stuck with. I can go ahead and cancel, but I just do not know what to do. This one pays $11. I think 18 miles. I know it's not worth it, but it's taking me to Danville area. So I kind of decided I'll take it. Hopefully, maybe customer will give a tip on that express order. We'll see. I'm arriving to Walmart right now, and we'll pick this one up and get it delivered, and then probably dash, unless something else comes up on Roadie that might be interesting enough to come back and do it. So that is fairly simple. When you're in a delivery and you want to see if there's any other offers, you click on this icon. As you guys can see, there is another delivery. $7, 4 minutes, 2 miles. And this is deals. So I'm gonna add this to the route. So I scroll up, submit offer. Submit offer submitted. Give me 15 minutes to respond. In the meanwhile, I'm clicking on I have arrived. Park slot is 8. So pretty much from here I can click and see the order and everything else. So then pretty much the same way, click on navigation and start the delivery when you're ready. So 2 more offers showed up. I selected both of them. For pending, and the other one, they immediately, the one that more mileage, like right there, 8 miles, 11 minutes, 1160, they immediately approved me on that one. It was like 30 seconds. Now the second one, they're not approving me on this one, and this one is just right across the street. As 2 miles, which is less than 2 miles, 4 minutes delivery, and I'm hoping to get both of them, because I can do the one in town and then go to Lancaster. So we'll see how it goes, but the last delivery turned out to be $15. This one is $11.60. So as soon as I hit start gig, I'm no longer going to see any of this information. So that's just something for you guys to be aware of if you guys decide to drive for Roadie. Also, another thing that I did not mention in the last video yesterday. Guys, I finished up that video almost. Started upload around 5 in the morning. Something about that video that I've got to mention. Roadie delivers. What is those called? Travel baggage, luggage for customers that for some reason the luggage was not on the plane with them when they arrived to the destination. So airport, you'll get some pharmaceutical, you'll get some other stores like Tractor Supply store. You have to really be careful. Not every delivery is worth it. Some deliveries might require a pickup truck, especially like Tractor Supply store. And also, if you're in an area where there is no DoorDash in your area, then Roadie most likely will be providing service for Walmart. If you have DoorDash in your area, then or Uber Eats, I believe, they will do it for Walmart. Like in my area, DoorDash has expanded to my area. They haven't launched any restaurants yet. I am suspecting Walmart switching over to DoorDash by the end of this year, and no longer Walmart will be done through Roadie. So some of the things like that, keep in mind. Let's see, has anything changed? Still 1 gig, and they are trying to push this gig to someone else. But the interesting part is, this doesn't show it's an express order, which should be okay for them to bundle it up. So I'm not sure. And this is deals. That might be the reason why they do not want to combine groceries and deals together. So unless I cancel that grocery delivery, I'm not sure if I'll be able to get that deals delivery, and deals usually take a lot of while to get approved. So, but I have about 15 minutes of drive back to Walmart, so we'll see how it goes, and I will be back to you guys. 4:41, about 10 minutes ago, they posted 8 more Black Friday deliveries. I put in offers for them, and to my surprise, they gave all 8 of them to me. There's also one grocery order that I put in offer, but I don't think they're gonna give me that one. I noticed they do not like to mix groceries with expresses and with special deliveries. So I just pulled up and told the guy, or he came up and I told him that I'm here for the batch order. Told him to make sure that all items are available before I start scanning them in, to avoid the mistake that we did yesterday, where I started scanning in to be discovered, and then turned out to be there were items missing because customer picked up. So looks like it's gonna be another good day. So I'm suspecting $56 roughly about out of this order if all items are there. It should be not too bad. We'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna be slightly shy of $100. Of course, if somebody add any tip, because on Walmart, on these orders, customers can go in and add a tip later. Then I might actually finish up a day with $100, and all I did was Roadie all day today. And I've been almost in Danville, just south of Danville, but I actually never went to Danville to Dash. We'll see how it goes. So, talk to you guys later. It is 7:41 and I arrived at home. I don't remember how many gigs I completed for the day on Roadie, but I made 100, I don't know, $405, something like that. So if we subtract the 72 we had yesterday from 106, that gives us 34. We added to the 72 that's still processing. That gives us 106, but there was actually some pennies. So about 105 something that did today. Now let's actually roll to, and as always, so Saturday the 27th, I did 107 miles, slightly under 107 miles, 5.7 hours, $105, 105 something, but I'm not gonna count Fanny. This is a rough estimate right now. So that's about what I did. So if you go per mile on a round trip, I did about $1 per mile. On time, I did probably around $18 an hour before any expenses. So that's about what it is. Quite a few things learned. I had on this last batch that I just complete. It was a batch of 8 deliveries, 1 item per delivery, so it was nice. Arrived to my first location. No mailbox for that address. No driveway for that address. And hard to even tell, is there even a lot? Because it's just fields and woods. So true, there's different directions on that street according to Google. It's like 1500, then suddenly jumps down to 200, and then goes from 200 up. I've driven that street quite a ways, and it ended never reaching past 700. So found out that there's actually support on the app. So pretty much what happens is, if you have an issue, you select issue with delivery, address problem, then you select not able to deliver or something like that, need help with delivery address, something like that, and then it's gonna pop up with Roadie's support phone number. So definitely use that to support. That is the only way to get support really quick. Any other way it just will not work. So yeah, I called them up. They couldn't help me either, so they returned to store. And then after the end of the 7 deliveries, I added the store as a delivery, and I guess I'm getting paid for it. About yesterday's batch, I'm still trying to figure out if I'm going to get paid for it or not. Because, guys, remember, I spent 2 hours at the store trying to go. I couldn't. Eventually, the store had to cancel the whole order and then make it available to everybody again. And then I played on getting them. What else I discovered? Walmart. I guess it's Walmart that approves the orders. So Walmart will not mix various different orders. So let's say if you have express orders, they'll not mix regular grocery orders. If you got a grocery order delivery, they're not going to combine on the same batch. They will not allow you to create a batch with express order. Or like this, right now we're having a holiday orders. So those are 3 separate kind of like orders, and you can batch in the same category. You cannot just batch outside of that category. So that's something I discovered as well today. If I would have gotten every order today, I would have probably did some good. But at the same time, you kind of never know what you're going to run in out on the road. And like today with that first delivery, I would have never been able to pick up that another order that I placed enough for. And when I got back, there was There's 2 more offers running right now, but I'm not taking because it's just too late. I don't have issues. So, guys, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell. And if you already have, I really appreciate you guys. And looking forward to doing some more videos. Be blessed.